Hello guys, in today's video, we'll break down Netflix plans and pricing so you can decide which one is right for you. Keep in mind, prices may vary depending on your region. So let's dive into the features of each plan and what they offer. So, Netflix currently offers 4 main plans. The first one is standard with ads. So this will be an ad supported plan. All mobile games and most movies and TV shows are available on this plan. Also, a lock icon will appear on unavailable titles. That means you aren't going to get exactly all the movies in this plan. Also, you can watch on 2 supported devices at a time when you go with this plan. Also, you can watch the movies in full HD, that is 1080 pixel. Also, you can download on 2 supported devices at a time. Also, you'll have to note that if you have Netflix with a package or through a third party, check with your provider to confirm if an ad-supported experience is available. Now, the second plan is a standard plan. In this, you will get unlimited ad-free movies, TV shows and mobile games. That means you aren't going to see any ads on your movies, TV shows or games. Now you get to watch on 2 supported devices at a time. You can watch anything in 1080p, that is full HD. Also, you can download on 2 supported devices at a time. Also, you get the option to add one extra member who doesn't live with you. So these are the benefits of standard plan. Now, in the premium plan, the same goes on, like you get unlimited ad-free movies, TV shows and mobile games. But you get to watch on 4 supported devices at a time. Also, you get to watch movies in 4K, that is Ultra HD plus HDR. Now, you also get to download on 6 supported devices at a single time. You also get the option to add up to 2 extra members who don't live with you. Now, in the premium plan, there is one extra feature, that is Netflix Spatial Audio. That is an audio that enhances sound without the need for surround sound speakers or home theater equipment. Now, it works on all Netflix supported devices. Now, coming down to the pricing, the standard with ads plan comes at $7.99 per month, that is nearly $8 per month. The standard plan comes at $17.99 month, that is $18, where you can add an extra member for $6.99 per month with ads, and if you don't want any ads, you can add any one extra member at $8.99 per month. Now you get the premium plan for $24.99 per month, that is $25. You can add up to 2 extra members for $6.99 each per month with ads. And if you don't want any ads, you can add any 2 extra members at $8.99 per each, that is $9. You'll have to note that extra members have their own account and password, but their membership is paid for by the person who invited them to share their Netflix account, that is you. Now, your plan will determine how many extra member slots you can add. Also, you need to note that the basic plan has been discontinued. You can change your plan at any time you want. Depending on where you live, you may be charged taxes in addition to your subscription prices. So, whether you are a solo streamer or sharing with family, there's a Netflix plan for everyone. If this video helped you decide, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one.